Roxanne and Brian, we are just outside the complex tonight. Police securing it overnight for investigators who have plenty of work to do in the morning. Dozens of families will not be sleeping in their own beds tonight because their homes were either destroyed or damaged in the explosion. Many others being told they have to wait for an official all clear before they can return. All of this after a massive explosion turned part of their complex into a war zone. After the worst of it was over, and with smoke still rising from the rubble, a cadaver dog made the worst discovery of all: a victim's body.
She was found, there was a car parked, and she was found on the hood of the car.
Authorities won't speculate on whether the victim lived at 28 Crockett, scene of the devastating blast. They say an autopsy must be done to make a positive identification.
I live up on Duffield, it shook the house.
Anyone who was in or near the South Fork at Ewing townhome complex heard and felt it.
I was pushed back from the pressure of it, and I heard glass shatter and all that.
Like a bomb hit the whole area. I can see nothing but fire.
Officials say a contractor working to repair an electrical problem at the complex hit a gas line a little before noon and contacted PSE&G. Roughly an hour later, something sparked the explosion, which injured 5 utility workers and 2 contractors.
I ran outside and everybody was, it was chaos, people crying and didn't know what was going on.
As many as 10 homes were destroyed, another 55 damaged. Dozens of evacuees with no place else to go were directed to this West Trenton firehouse.
I still got a dog there. I couldn't even go pick up my dog.
Investigators from the state, Mercer County, and Ewing Township will interview witnesses and search through the charred debris to try to find the cause of the explosion and determine whether proper procedures were followed. All of this to make sure it doesn't happen again. And the mayor told us that families with pets who might still be inside those homes would be allowed to retrieve their animals once the buildings were determined to be safe to do so. The investigation will resume with the morning light. They also hope to have the identity of the body of the woman whose body was found here. They also tell us they do not expect to find any more dead victims. In Ewing Township, I'm John Kleekamp, News 12, New Jersey.